guys. Welcome to Ride or Ride. And some Philly cheesesteaks, having a couple of brewskis, and then this is Bikes on the Bricks. If you've never been out to Bikes on the Bricks, hold on, I'll cut to it. Isn't that pretty cool? I think it's pretty cool. A lot of motorcycles out there. Got some sickles going in. What's up, buddy? Got some Verniums. Got some Carniums. Yeah, for an event here in Fort Wayne, it's pretty cool. You get a lot of people, not just Harley guys. You got crotch rock guys. You got all of them. So, Honda Furies. Mic'd up for the first time, so anytime you talk, they'll hear you now. She's new, bitch. Just had a guy buy us our dinner and drinks. Hell yes. I know you're gonna watch this, and I want to thank you, dude. I told you when you come out here, I want to get you a drink. So we're early, so this event starts at 7. I don't even know what time it is. You know what time it is? So like I said, this is the first, well, not the first year. Last year is the first year they started doing this. Hi! Hi. This is Sam. I don't know if you ever met my wife. Ashley. Hi. Yeah, I've sold her a few motorcycles. She just got her legendary blue 18th anniversary Street Glide. Want to say hi? Say hi to the folks. Hello. Do you want to show them your bike? Yes. Let's go show them the bike. Do with your mic. Tell us about your bike.
Yeah, so it's the 115th anniversary Street Glide edition. It comes in the denim blue, which is my favorite. I remember when they first came out.
Yeah.
Stocked this bike forever. The Fort Wayne location got too up when they first came in, and I was too poor to buy one, but I got one now.
I know.
And I love it. I just took it to Tennessee, and we put 1,400 miles.
How many?
We did the Devil's Triangle and the Dragon's Tail. It was wicked.
Okay.
So that's why she's dirty.
Oh, that just means you ride it.
You know?
That's what people always tell me when I say my bike's dirty.
But,
oh, that's awesome.
I love it. It's been quite the upgrade from the Sporty.
Yeah. I tried for many years to get you on a bigger bike.
Oh, I wanted to.
I know.
You know, I only had to get hit by a car for it.
Oh, jeez.
And I'd break another arm.
Don't do that, don't do that, people. Well, heck yeah. Thanks for showing us your bike.
Dude, thanks for running in.
Of course.
Yeah, there's hot water.
Performance orange. That was a very hot color. Yellow. ZX-10R race motorcycle. I love that color. From Polaris's, my boy Jesse Toombs. Yeah.
It's actually a masterpiece, and it's labeled masterpiece.
Yeah?
So it's the #1. So it's going to be a series.
Okay. Yeah. He was filming me in a little bit on it. He sent me some pictures, but I had to see it in person.
Yeah, this thing is great.
Dude. The detail on the eyes. This is Jesse Toombs, guys. He's out of Fort Wayne. He does custom airbrush artwork, and he does some crazy, really cool stuff. I mean, the detail. Look at them. That's cool. If you look, there's some flake in there. Wow. And I actually sold this bike to my boy new, and we had to find this color because it was the year after they actually released this specific color. So yeah, we found the bike, and Jesse got a hold of this thing and did his thing on it. It's awesome. And then this is his personal bike. So cool story with this bike. My boy who bought this bought this for him to surprise him and give him. So yeah, that was really cool. I hadn't got to see the paint on this either. That's super neat. He's a big music guy. Actually plays music also. Jesse's kind of jack of all trades when it comes to anything art-wise, whether it's music or, you know, hands-on art. And he done all this himself. Check that out. It's cool. Dig it. What do? You found a dog. Oh man. Oh man.
You're so cute.
Hi.
You are just so cute.
Oh, you want to be on YouTube? Say hello.
Hello, baby. Oh my goodness.
Now our dog's gonna be very jealous. You're gonna get in trouble.
Can I get a spicy margarita?
You can get whatever you want, my lady. There's Barnard. What's up, dude? Good, good. All right, so this is inside G Campus. It's really cool. They got pool tables now.
Youngest rider here, I guarantee it.
Youngest rider?
I guarantee it.
How old are you?
3?
3? You got your own motorcycle?
I mean, not yet.
Oh, well, she can ride yours. She can ride yours. That's a cool. Yeah, they got tons of food. Really cool. Henry! Ah! This is the man that saved me on the sporty. What's up, dude? Oh yeah, she sounds good. Oh, yeah. This is cool. Heck yeah. Check it out, babe. No trouble.
Check it out now.
Cool. Oh, you love being on video.
Oh, yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
All the Just kidding, I came from those sport bikes. I came from them. Yeah, a little performance, a little carbon fiber. Huh? What? ASMR? I think we need to start an ASMR channel.
I just think it's really funny.
Yeah. For an anniversary, you don't ever see that paint set. You always see the black and two-tone or the blue. Clean old road king. Babe, I'm getting me, I know it's not necessarily a super moto. Street tires on dirt bike, but yeah. That's probably one of my next purchases. No, I mean, you do call me daddy.
Vroom, vroom. Vroom.
Oh, that's a bad thing.
There's a 100% chance of rain in a minute. Hopefully not. But, hey, Whoppy! My boy. We're gonna be rolling here in a little bit. I gotta go say hi to my boy Whoppy. Let's go see him. Alright, we're rolling, guys. Hey, baby bear. Sorry. There's a big green blob on the way here. And we're probably gonna get wet. And I will melt because I'm made of sugar. So, where's my bike? There it is. Down here. That's not nice. hope you had fun. Sorry to cut it short. Usually we'd be there a lot longer, like another hour and a half. There's a big storm about to hit. I had an old gray hair come up and say, hey, there's a cloud over us, gotta go. So I trust him. He's been doing this a long time. So yeah, we're home. We're gonna run inside and hang out with the dogs, little fur babies, and have some fun. Thank you for coming to hang out at Ride a Rot. I leave Sunday, so here in 2 days for Tennessee. I'm gonna go down to the tail, Blue Ridge Parkway, and I don't know. The guy I'm going with is supposedly knows every road on the back of his hand. So we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna take you guys with me. If you guys are about that life, hit that like button, hit that share button, and hit that subscribe button. 93% of people that watch my stuff religiously are following me. Not jacked up. Later, guys.